guys, so today we're going to playing I don't know, like our hobby. So anyways, guys, wait, this is my favorite. Anyways, so make sure to like and subscribe. There's a notification bell for more videos like this. Bro, I keep lagging. So please like and subscribe. There's no sound. The thing, guys. Okay. Stop. Okay, let's go. Come on, guys. Let's go beat that game. Ouch. Ouch. My butt hurts. Oh my god. Okay, let's go beat that game because I need to speed run this. Okay, nice speed run. I think it's easy to speed run this stage. Anyways, please like and subscribe. Okay, also please like and subscribe. Okay. Okay, I'm at 7. Oh. Okay, be careful. Ouch. Ouch. I'm sorry. Okay, guys, please try to subscribe. If I'm going to play this game, I think I'm going to play this game. Albi Tower, guys. Mega Albi Tower. I think there's player downstairs. I think there's, okay, I don't know what player's downstairs is. But anyways, let's go beat the game. So, anyways, I'm at 10%. 10 stage. I think I will not even this stage. Maybe they can go lead now. They can go lead. Stop winning it. Then. I think, stop winning it now. Okay, so anyways, guys, okay. I think I am beating this game. Stop. It's just it. I said stop. It's just speed run, guys. Go. Okay, guys, let's go. So I'm going to speed run this, guys. So I wake up in the morning, probably 9:30, 20:25. So that means I can just do this, guys. Also, okay, I wanted to hear your sound, guys. Okay, so please. Okay, there's bacon I can go, or that bacon na guled, bacon guled I can. Oh, yes. I think I'm going to steal on this. How this is colors. Ouch. Sorry. Ouch. Ouch. Okay. I think I'm going to go for it. Okay. Oh, yeah. Yeah, speedrun, guys. That's speedrun. Okay. There's so many speeds in there, guys. Oh, wait. How many? Oh my god, it's still high. Probably I can't even make it, guys. Like, how about let's skip this and I don't know. Let's skip this one. So that way I can just stop the ticket. Oh, thank you. Why? Okay. Okay. I think I made it, guys. 35, 34, guys. I think speedrun this is cool. Speedrun is cool, guys. Let's go. Okay. Oh. 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 Stop falling. I just look at that all. Oh. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh. No, guys. Okay, let's go speedrun that, guys. Okay. I think there's so many, steps. I don't know. Let's celebrate. Ouch. Ouch. I'm low in health, guys. Ouch. Ouch. I'm sorry, guys. Are you serious? Hey, Bacon, go let betray me. Don't ever show me. Do not do it again. Alright, I'll catch you again. Ouch. What the heck's wrong with you? Ouch. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. Let's go beat that game. Don't. Ouch. 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 I'm sorry. Ouch. Uh-oh. I'm low in health, guys. Hey, stop. I need to cook myself, guys. I need to continue. Okay, let's go beat that game, guys. I think the first time, please, like, multi-skip. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Wait, I can skip, Can skip this, I don't know. Also, I just jump higher because I'm holding the brake. So that way it won't collapse. Oh, yeah. Let's go, speedrun! Let's go. Why there's so many checkpoints there, guys? Bro, stop lagging. I need to running. Stop. Look like purple. Okay, let's go. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, let's go. Oh, let's do. Oh, let's make it. No. Oh, yes. Out. Oh, oh, oh my god. Oh, oh my god, guys. Oh, it will take a minute. Or I'll take a few minutes, guys. Few minutes ago. It'll take few minutes ago. Okay. Oh my god, it's so easy. So easy, guys. Okay. Let's begin. Yeah, I like this. Easy, man. Yes. Let's go. Go student this guys. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, oh, I'm too. Ooh, ooh. I think they created that. Don't ever fall. Don't ever fall. Don't fall. Okay? Don't fall again. These questions are mad. So I apologize for. Stop! Stop doing that! Come on! I need to beat it. Okay, I only got 61. Yeah! Okay, stop! Ah! Stop lagging! Why do I keep lagging? I agree with the one left. Oh, oh. Wait, can I? Oh, wait, I don't know. Out, out, out. Okay, I think it's 64, 64, 9. Duh, 65 guys. Let's go. Oh, yes, easy, easy, easy. Ooh, ooh. Ouch, my brain hurts. Stop. I need to fart on you. Don't ever fall. Don't fall, guys. If I fall, don't fall, okay? Okay, let's go. Go. Sit. Oh, sit down. Good. Sit down. Good. Okay. I think this is easy. That's the first out. First out away, guys. Okay, let's go with the game. So this time it's easy. Ow! Okay, this one's easy, guys. I can see. I can just focus in there, guys. I can focus. Let me focus first. Oh, yes, yes, yes. What I'm going to speed one. Up. Okay, I made it to the yellow one. Made it to the banana one. Out. No, don't. I am at. Oh my god. I am. Okay, I am at 76, guys. I wanted to hear my voice. Ow. Oh. 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 I'm sorry. Oh. Yes. Yes. I'm at 78. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go to them, guys. Ah. Yeah. What? Okay, guys. I'm back. I'm back to normal. Let's go beat that game. Let's go. Oh, ready? Let's go beat that game, guys. Vegan. Fine. Ah. Stop using my tongue, guys. Okay. Stop lagging, guys. Yeah. Don't lag. I need to beat it. Just let me beat it. Okay. Okay. I am at 84, guys. Fine. Stop lagging. No, it's lagging. Laggy. I'm laggy, guys. Oh, yes. That's easy. We need to reach 100, guys. I'm not the green one, but it's gonna be red. Oh, yeah. That's easy. Ah, okay. I'm not the pink one. No, I'm going to beat you. Yes. Oh, what? Yeah. Stop. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, guys. Okay, let's beat it, guys. Let's beat this game before. I like this game. Out. I'm sorry. Oh, stop. Stop lagging. I need to beat that game, guys. Why? Why is it so many? Why is it so many? Guys, why is it so many? So many stage, guys. To take a few seconds or a few minutes. A few minutes ago. Oh my god. I like it. You really don't like it. It will take a few hours. Yeah, I'm going to end acorn. Oh, his name is Kiwi. Oh, run. Let's go to catch me. Oh, oh, yes, yes. Oh, stop lagging. Stop it. Stop it. Trembling. Oh, I need to stop lagging. I wanted to reach acorn, guys. No, I need to reach acorn. Huh? Yes. Oh, she's so slow. I'm so fast. Oh, yes. I'm not gonna wait for her, guys. It's gonna go there. There. It's gotta be pretty soon. I'm not gonna wait for her, guys. Okay? I promise I'm not gonna wait for her. Because she's still annoying. Because how could I go there? Oh my god, I'm really on my. Please watch my video, okay? And give me 10 views. And give me 100 views. We'll blow and do this. I'm not gonna wait for her, guys. I need to feed her. I need them. Okay, I hate this when I wanted to wait for her. I hate this when I don't know. So anyways, let's go beat the game. I'm not gonna fall, guys. I'm not gonna fall if I'm going to do this again. Because the acorn will try to be slow. So that's alright. This I'm keeping with her, guys. Okay, we need to wait it for the finish. Yeah, kissing her. I'm kissing with her, guys. Look, I'm kissing with her, guys. Okay, let's go beat the game. So this time I'm going to beat the game, guys. Oh, this one is easy. Don't fall. Don't fall. Don't fall. Don't fall. Because you guys. Oh, yes. 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 This one is easy. Come on, guys. Let's go. Let's go back. Out. 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 My bot. Out. Out. I'm sorry, guys. I won't do it again because I'm going to race with her. So that's why I think she's going to be far away. And also I'm not gonna wait for her, guys, because she's not in tired. Oh wait, how? What are you doing? Oh yeah, it's easy. Okay. Yes, you're not going to see. I am Dowdy. Yeah, chicken, yeah, okay. Oh, mama, chicken, yeah. Well, I can speak English, guys. English or English or Philippines. I mean, over. Gay. There. I think I'm going to beat again. I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Okay, let's go beat again. Oh, yes. 37, 38. I'm going to reach for a police line, guys. I'm going to reach 100. 100%, guys. Look. Oh, yes. I'm pro, guys. I'm just a pro. I am just a pro, guys. I don't, I don't care without chasing at me because they keep bullying me. I'm not gonna wait for her, guys. I think they wanted to bully me at school. I'm not gonna wait she's an attitude, guys. But how? Oh yeah. They didn't give me a bachelor, so it's okay. I'm going to give a bachelor later. Okay. Uh, stop. 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 Stop lagging. Why do I keep lagging? Why do I keep lagging, guys? Why I keep lagging like that? Okay. Stop. Oh wait. Yes. Ouch, guys. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Okay. Oh. I think I'm going to reach 2,200. I think. Stop lagging kaya. Lagging is bad. Why you keep putting lagging? Why? Bro, why do you keep lagging, guys? I'm going to speed on this, you ugly bitch. Ugly. Are you kidding me? Don't ever do that again, ah. Oh, I only got 60. This. Go. Yes. Only got 62, guys. Come on, guys. We're almost there. We're going to reach that. 200. 200. Stage. 200 stage again, guys. Let's go. Go with 200 gigs. Actually, I don't know what to do, but it's like, I want to. What's lagging? What happened? Did somebody snap? What happened? Wait, who's clapping? Because people are a bit on. Stop slapping. Stop. Okay, be careful. Be careful. Yes. Oh my god. We need to wait, guys. Okay. Stop lagging. Dude, stop lagging. I'm going to I'm going to lag. If I'm just this. Don't lag. If I lag then don't lag. Don't lag. Don't ever lag. Okay. I'm going to just really mad. Do it again. Oh, it's not the last one. I'm not gonna. There. It's not on. You can see. Okay, let's go. Let's go beat the game, guys. Okay, I'm almost there, guys. Oh, and close the button. I can push the button, guys. Okay. Thank you, guys. Okay, we're almost there. 200. 200, please. Wow, 800. We need 800, huh? Okay, we're almost there, guys. Almost gonna finish up, guys. Go. I keep. Don't ever lag, huh? Please. Go. Okay, hold on. Okay, yeah. It's gonna be real. Hi, please like and subscribe. Give me 800. I get 800 views. 800 subscribers. Give me 800 subscribers, guys. If I'm beating this game. I'm going to beat the game, guys. Please hit the notification bell for more videos. And subscribe to my other channel, please. Okay? Urban Grace. Okay, let's go beat the game. Oh, wait. Is it time? Oh, wait. It's not stop. Okay, let's go. Let's go beat the game. Don't lag. Don't lag. Don't lag. Don't lag, guys. Okay. Oh my god, it's still high. Oh wait, I'm beating it. Wait, we're almost there, guys. We're almost there. We're almost there, guys. Okay, let's go. Ah, yes. I'm going to record this. I'm going to record our Roblox videos, guys. Roblox videos that I just made it in Roblox channel. So please, I love Roblox. Please subscribe. Please subscribe, and also I like Roblox. Like and subscribe if I like Roblox. Okay. Okay. Go. What I'm going to let's jump. I'm not jumping, guys. I'm not jumping. So it's okay. Why is it lagging? Oh my god. Okay, we're almost there to 200. Stop lagging. It's not time to lag. What the heck happened? What the heck happened? There's no time to lag, guys. Uh, there's no time to lag, guys. Okay? Don't ever lag. I'm going to react my video. Are you seeing what is lagging video? Lag video. Okay, guys. Okay. Wait. Wait. Oh, yes, yes. Yes, we're almost getting 200. Oh, wait, we're almost there. Is that the end? Guys, is that the end? Oh, yes. Stop lagging. Oh my god. 200. Yes. What? Why? Why? I like 200. Why? Is this why do I keep lagging? Slow motion is on this one. This lag bad, guys. Okay. Yay! Stop lagging. Yeah, we're almost there. Obi Tower. Tower Obi. Yay. Obi one. Bad one, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll be telling you this. Also, yes. I'm also this. I'm Goodbye, guys.